Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in this math Look Fantastic, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing this month Look Fantastic May 2022. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive 6 beauty products from makeup to skincare. I know this month Look Fantastic is quite late. I was quite disappointed, to be honest, because I purchased the next day delivery, and usually they came like on the 2nd or on the 3rd of the month, but this time it came only today, which is I wasn't really impressed about their delivery service at the moment. So yes, so this month, lovelies, it didn't come with in the box, but it came with a like a clear bag, like a clear travel bag. It's quite small, and yes, you can see what's inside. And let's see this month we have the booklet in here, and this month theme is the It's Time to Get Away. And then we have also the spoiler for next month, which is June is just around the corner, and we are rounding up the hottest. Sneak peek, this simple What Spot Dots. What Spot Dots are the perfect quick fix solution for stressed out skin, calming redness, protecting from infection and skin picking, and injecting a boost of natural salicylic acid to help detox, block pores. So here we go. So this product will be in next month box, and let's see what it says here. It says spring has finally sprung, and we are well and truly on our way to some summer sun, but we are starting early here on Beauty Box with an incredible lineup of beauty must-haves for those jetting off summer hot, or even if you are just catching some rain in the back garden. There is something for everyone in this month exclusive bag. That's right, bag. We've swapped out this month regular beauty box for something extra special. This handy makeup pouch is perfect for those weekend staycation and allow you to keep those beauty essentials close by. But that's not all. We are celebrating mental health awareness this month at Look Fantastic, and I've got some excellent tips and tricks to keep your mind in the beauty game. So let's see each product. So the first product we have here, and this is from Rituals. This is the sneak peek for this month, the spoiler. And yes, this is the Soul Shimmering Body Oil. I really thought, lovelies, this will be like a full size, but no, it's just a deluxe sample size, travel size, and I'm sure this one it's retail for £8, around like that. Exact price, lovelies, I will pop in here. And yes, this is the Soul Shimmering Body Oil. It has 30 ml. And let's see what it says in here. It says this luxurious body oil is infused with tiny shimmering mineral particles to reflect the light and add a stunning shine. The non-sticky formula feels light and hydrating on the skin. I love Rituals. I love Rituals product because they smell gorgeous. I really love it. And it says shake well before each use to activate the shimmer, dust, and clean skin before applying for streak-free coverage. So this is the first product. And then the next one we have here, this is from Paradox. We are Paradox Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner Hair Mask. So here we go. This is the second product, and this one has 50 ml. I am sure if it's a full size. I'm not sure if it's a full size, but I will pop here the exact price. And this one is a conditioner envelope stresses with rich nutrients from Irish Carrageen's moss, honey locust and nettle to help fortify, smooth, and tame. Antioxidant matcha green tea combined with hazelnut and coconut oil offer intense, high-powered conditioning action in synergy. So yes, here we go, the second item. And the next one we have, which is I really do like, and this is from Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Bum Cream. And this one has 25 ml, so this is just a deluxe sample size. And this one, it doesn't say anything in here. As I said, I tried this one before and I really do like it. It is very moisturizing. And then the fourth item we have here, so this is the Groom, from the brand Groom, Purifying Facial Cleanser, Detox and Purify. Here we go. And this one, it says this Zero Plastic Cleansing Bar is handmade using activated charcoal to magically absorb toxin, leaving skin clearer and brighter, and detoxifying lemongrass oil to promote a smooth and subtle texture. Oh, it smells like clean stuff. Yeah, it looks like this, lovely. It smells nice. It has that refreshing smell. And then the next one we have, and this one, it's very handy when we go in holiday. This is from Bondi Sands Daily Moisturizing Face SPF 50 Plus 4-hour water resistant lotion, fragrance free. It's tiny, lovelies. It has 10 ml, very tiny, and it says thanks to its non-greasy consistency, the cream is comfortable to wear and easy to apply, while water resistant technology works to keep your skin safe for up to 4 hours. Ultra moisturizing, the lotion offers intense hydration, transforming skin from dry to dull to smooth and silky. So here we go. And then the last product I've got in here, I think I have this product like 10 of this here, from Seattle, London, Glow to Highlighter. I don't know what shade it is. Oh, in shade Starburst. Here we go, lovelies, the shade. Very nice shade. It doesn't say anything in here because there are only 4 products in there, but here it says add a gentle sweep across cheekbones, brow bones, and where the light would naturally hit your face for a soft natural glow, or layer for an intense shimmer. So yes, this is a 6th product. As you can see, it's all done. Let's do a recap. So I received the Seattle, London, the Groom one, the Purifying Facial Cleanser, so, and then the Rituals of Karma, the Soul Shimmering Body Oil, the Brazilian Bum Cream, the Bondi Sun Face SPF 50 Plus, and we are Paradox Repair. So yes, I had 6 products. On the booklet, lovelies, it says what's in your box. Each beauty box contains a selection of these must-have products. Which will you receive? So there's also the 6 Skin Chemist, which is the Youth Series Rose and Lavender Intensive Night Therapy Eye Serum. Which would I prefer to receive, because I really heard good reviews about this product. So I'm not sure, maybe we'll get this product instead of other product, because you will receive only 6 items in here. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month? Look fantastic. Are you subscribed to them? Did you receive yours? What products did you receive? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.